Hey guys, welcome to Kitī Drawings. Today I'll be drawing this cute Hello Kitty in a pumpkin. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off on the top right and let's draw out the bow. Let's start with a circle on the top right. Then from the top left, let's bring it up, down, and back in. And the same on the bottom right. And then add a curve inside each side of the bow. Now next to the bow, let's draw the pumpkin hat. Let's draw a curve out and over on the left. And then a wavy line back in underneath. Now top inside at the top, and let's draw a zigzag line down and back over to the bow. And now on top, let's add the stem. Let's start with two curves going up and then close off the top with an oval. And lastly, for the hat, let's draw a curly line out and up like this. Next, let's hop down and let's draw the sides of the head. Underneath the bow on the right, let's draw a curve down and bring it in. Then hop over to the left and let's do the same thing. Now on top, let's add the ears. Let's add two curves coming up to a point on the top left. And the same on the top right. And that's it for the ears. Next, let's hop down and let's draw the hands. On both bottom corners, let's draw a curve up and back down. And to close off the hands, let's draw two bumps underneath. And then a curve across in between to close off the head. Now that we have the shape of the head, let's move in and let's draw the face. Let's start with two ovals for the eyes. And color them both in black. And then add a sideways oval in the center for the nose. And lastly, for the head, let's draw three curves on both sides for the whiskers. And that's it for the head. Now let's move underneath and let's draw the pumpkin. Let's start next to the hands and let's draw a curve down and bring it in on both sides. And then another curve across in between. Now inside, let's draw another curve under each hand. And then two down from the top. And now in the middle, let's add the face. Let's start with two triangles for the eyes. And then one in the center for the nose. Now underneath for the mouth, let's draw a line across in the center and a V shape on both sides. And then curve it out again. Now let's curve it back in underneath, stopping here, underneath each of the teeth. 2 V-shaped points up, and then a curve to close it off. And then let's color all of the face in black. And that's it for this pumpkin Hello Kitty. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!